In the dynamic world of content creation, the demand for high-quality audio solutions is ever increasing. As a content creator, finding the perfect wireless microphone system can be a daunting task. In this detailed review, we will meticulously compare and contrast the newly released DJI Mic 2 transmitter system against the established wireless technology leader, the Rode-WirelessPRO. So, let's dive in.
Are you struggling to explain your idea? Your audience is not getting what you're trying to say. An animated explainer video is a perfect solution for you. Explainer video simplifies any complex ideas through engaging animations, transitions, voiceovers, and meaningful scripts, which all together create a fun experience for any viewer. And here comes 10 Studio, a team of skilled professionals dedicated to creating engaging explainer videos. With over thousands completed projects, we have the expertise to create explainer videos that break down your message and connect with your audience. Get in touch with 10 Studio today.
Starting with the physical design of the transmitters, the DJI Mic 2 stands out for its compact size and lightweight build, making it an appealing option for creators on the move. The magnetic clip and metal clip provide versatile mounting options, allowing for easy attachment to various surfaces. On the contrary, the Rode-WirelessPRO maintains a larger form factor, nearly twice the size of the DJI Mic 2. This size difference can be a significant factor, especially when considering the comfort and portability of extended use. The dead cat dilemma adds an interesting layer to the comparison. The DJI Mic 2 introduces a new and user-friendly click-in-place mechanism for attaching it, simplifying the process in low-light conditions. In contrast, the Rode-WirelessPRO adheres to its traditional twist-in design. While effective, the DJI Mic 2's innovation provides a practical advantage, enhancing ease of use during setup and breakdown. Examining the Lav Ports, both systems feature a 3.5mm jack for external microphones. However, the Rode-WirelessPRO gains an advantage with its locking port mechanism. This locking feature provides added security in professional settings, where talent movements may involve tugging on the lav mic. The DJI Mic 2, lacking this locking mechanism, might be susceptible to audio disruptions if the lav mic is accidentally displaced during use. Both systems offer internal recording on the transmitter for backup purposes, ensuring that crucial audio is captured even in the event of signal loss. The DJI Mic 2 comes equipped with 8 GB of onboard storage, providing 14 hours of backup time. In contrast, the Rode-WirelessPRO boasts a substantial 32 GB internal storage, offering a whopping 40 hours of backup time. While the extended storage capacity might be overkill for some users, it could prove advantageous during extensive recording sessions or shoots. Shifting our focus to the receivers, the DJI Mic 2's receiver stands out with its touchscreen interface. This feature allows content creators to access settings directly on the device, eliminating the need for reliance on a mobile app. On the other hand, the Rode-WirelessPRO necessitates connecting to the Rode app for comprehensive control. The DJI's touchscreen interface provides a more user-friendly experience, allowing quick adjustments in the field without the added step of navigating through a separate application. Battery life is a crucial factor in determining the usability of any wireless microphone system. The DJI Mic 2 offers 6 hours of battery life per transmitter and receiver, with the charging case providing an additional 18 hours. The Rode-WirelessPRO, with 7 hours per unit, extends to a total of 21 hours with its charging case. Although the Rode system offers a longer total charge time, it is worth noting that the DJI Mic 2's 18 hours are likely sufficient for most users, covering multiple days of usage without needing a recharge. A noteworthy design consideration is the case design. The Rode-WirelessPRO case allows users to keep the dead cat on the transmitter during storage, offering convenience and time savings. In contrast, the DJI Mic 2 case requires users to remove the dead cat before storing the transmitter. This seemingly minor difference could impact workflow efficiency, especially in fast-paced shooting environments. Now, let's dive into the audio performance, a critical aspect of any microphone system. In outdoor scenarios with waves and wind, both mics boast 32-bit float technology, but the DJI Mic 2 aims to raise the bar by introducing built-in noise cancellation. demonstrating its potential to reduce unwanted ambient sounds and providing a cleaner audio signal. The DJI Mic 2's Bluetooth capability introduces a new dimension to its functionality. This feature allows direct connection to smartphones and other compatible devices without the need for a dedicated receiver. This versatility expands the DJI Mic 2's utility beyond traditional camera setups, making it an appealing option for mobile content creators and vloggers. In conclusion, both the DJI Mic 2 transmitter system and Rode-WirelessPRO offer unique features catering to different user preferences and use cases. The DJI Mic 2 targets content creators with its compact design, noise cancellation, and Bluetooth capabilities, making it an excellent choice for those creating content for platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. On the other hand, the Rode-WirelessPRO, with its larger form factor and extended storage, may appeal more to documentary filmmakers and those engaged in professional video production. Ultimately, the choice between these two systems hinges on individual needs and the specific demands of the recording environment. Creators must carefully consider factors such as size, weight, locking mechanisms, storage capacity, touchscreen interfaces, and other features to determine which system aligns best with their workflow and creative objectives. The DJI Mic 2 and Rode-WirelessPRO represent two formidable contenders in the wireless audio arena, each with its set of strengths and considerations for potential users.